Hello, this is Takami of Suikosha. I am a Japanese carpenter. Today I will talk about the theme of Is the craftsman an artist? I frequently get asked the difference between an artist and a craftsman. This is how I see it. Both professions express and create things, but a craftsman is more passive, whereas an artist is more active. To explain, a craftsman is expected to fully give 100% on any given work, not 80%, not 120%, exactly 100%. Never allowed to express themselves, the steps involved in the making process is of little importance, as long as the requested product is made. A craftsman is someone who can do this. On the other hand, an artist must continuously go beyond expectations. A constant expression of 120% or more is sought. Needless to say, at 80%, the artist's existence will not be recognized. It's a demanding world, always being expected to be new and creative. Craftsmen are those who are not expected to change. Artists are those who are always expected to change. Is this the difference between a craftsman and an artist? That was today's story. I hold a Japanese woodworking school where you can study in English. At this school, you can learn how to adjust tools and how to use them by making a journey. Please look at my bio if you like. I look forward to sharing the wonderful woodworking with you. Have a good day. See you. Hello, this is Takami of Suikosha. I am a Japanese carpenter. I have a Japanese woodworking school where you can learn in English. I accept 4 students each month, so beginners and professionals alike can take classes according to your skill levels. Don't worry. Check the overview for more information. And please subscribe to the channel. Let's enjoy woodworking together.